Ratcheting screwdriver torque testing. The method. Glue a popsicle stick perpendicularly to the shaft of these ratcheting screwdrivers. Try to be as consistent as possible, rotating the driver by hand into the center of the scale, forcing the ratchet to actuate. Record several of the highest values and then take an average. Then realize that no matter how hard you try, it's really hard to maintain a constant spinning speed and angle of pressure. Here are the results. The MegaRol averaged 1.4 grams. The MegaPro averaged 4.9 grams. And the Klein averaged 37.5 grams. Let's repeat the experiment, but with a drill to see if constant rotational force and angle of pressure makes a difference. Record the highest values and take an average if necessary. Here's the results. The MegaRol maxed and averaged 2.9 grams. The MegaPro maxed and averaged 7.5 grams. And the Klein maxed at 38.9 grams but averaged 34.5. So what do these numbers mean? Well, to me, it means that tooth count doesn't matter if the ratcheting mechanism is poor. The marketing selling point of ratchets are primarily their tooth count, but that doesn't matter. A good ratchet requires less energy to engage and has very little slop in the teeth.